Never, ever hold in a sneeze. I don't care if you are in a quiet library or a funeral, let it out. When you pinch your nose and clamp your mouth shut, you are creating a pressurized bomb inside your head. A sneeze travels at 100 miles per hour. If you block that exit, the air has to go somewhere else. It can blow out your eardrums, rupture the blood vessels in your eyes, or even tear a hole in your throat. Doctors have treated patients with trapped air bubbles in their chest just from being polite. Don't be polite, be loud, save your hearing.